Hey there, folks. Max Digitalis here, bringing you another exciting episode of our daily trivia podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the digital out-of-home industry. So, without further ado, let's jump right into today's trivia question. In 2019, an iconic billboard company in Times Square, New York, made history by installing the largest digital out-of-home display in the world. Can you name this company? Take a moment to think it over, and when you're ready, here's the answer. The company behind this groundbreaking achievement is none other than Samsung. In 2019, they unveiled their massive 1082 square meter LED display, which is equivalent to the size of 3 basketball courts. This incredible display has set a new standard for advertising in Times Square and beyond. And with that, we've reached the end of today's trivia. As always, thank you for tuning in to Max Digitalis Daily Trivia Podcast, and don't forget to check out Atma TV, our amazing sponsor, for more engaging content. You can also find American television media at a 7-Eleven near you. Until next time, folks, remember to always keep your mind curious and your digital knowledge growing.